18. About pastors. Earlier this year, a friend of our small but active Christian foundation donated his 1974 Mark IV Continental to us for our work. He had kept it in superb condition, almost showroom polish, added new Michelin tyres all around, and had it thoroughly checked. Naturally, it's a pleasure to drive. The car is also an interesting religious barometer. From time to time, as I travel up and down the state, someone will comment about the car and its condition and ask me about my work. Sometimes I tell them I'm a writer, which I am, and the author of 25 to 30 books, all currently in print. They're impressed. Some will tell me about foreign cars, very expensive ones I've rarely seen, which they think I should be interested in. At other times, I tell them that I'm a minister, which I am, still preaching and speaking all over the country. This answer makes some of them unpleasant and even angry. Some who call themselves good Christians talk resentfully of rich preachers. Now the Bible tells us that the labourer is worthy of his reward, and that those who labour well in the ministry of the word and doctrine are worthy of double honour, which means double pay. 1 Timothy 5:17 and 18. Too many church members act as though God never said that. A very fine pastor went to a small, struggling church here in California at a cut in salary because he felt much could be done here. His wife went to work. He put in long hours as a pastor, building up the membership, and as a carpenter doing the finishing work on the new building. Then, after several years, he asked for a salary he felt he was earning and which the church could pay. Board members opposed it on the grounds that he would make more than they did. All too many church members act as though poverty is a virtue in pastors, missionaries, and Christian schoolteachers. They dishonour the Lord by dishonouring his servants. Take a good look at yourself. Would you be resentful if your pastor could live better than you do? If so, don't call your attitude anything other than what it is, sin and envy, and it does not commend you to the Lord.